They have the power to make a wish come true.
Starlight, star bright, star I see tonight. I wish I might have the wish I wish tonight. We'll make a wish and do as dreamers do, as dreamers do. And all our wishes will come true. You wish upon a star. Makes no difference who you are. Anything your heart desires will come to you.
Pretty, huh? I'll bet a lot of you folks don't believe that. About a wish coming true. Do ya? Well, I didn't either. Of course, I'm just a brickhead. But let me tell you what made me change my mind. You see, the most fantastic, magical things can happen. And it all starts with a wish.
I wish I could go to the bone. I'm wishing someday my prince will come. No request is too extreme. I wish, oh, I wish I could be part of that world. I wish we'd never have to grow up. Off to Neverland! And you wish upon a star as dreamers do. What, Jiminy? Someday I wish I could be a real boy.
Gee, I wish for your freedom.
You know, any wish is possible. All it takes is a little courage to set it free. A wish is a powerful thing, especially when it comes from the heart.
She brings 2,000 love, the sweet fulfillment of their secret
In my way, I can't see.
I'm coaxing you right.
wishes can be granted in the most unexpected ways.
10,000 years to give you such a crick in the neck. Hello, people. Up here. Come on. We've got some wishes to grant.
Don't worry. Just remember, always let your conscience be your guide. Let your conscience be your guide. Let your conscience be your guide.
Slaves in the magic mirror come from the farthest space. Through wind and dark I summon you. Let me see thy face. A blast of wind to thunder, a thunderbolt to cast my spell. Alas, grant me my wish as well.
You know, folks, you gotta be careful what you wish for around here, or you'll get yourself in an awful mess. But just when things look bad, fate steps in to see you through. Will all be. It's the Blue Fairy!
Remember, we must always believe in our wishes, for they are the magic in the world. Now, let's all put our hearts together and make a wish come true.
Starlight, star bright, first star I see tonight. I wish I may, I wish I might have a wish I wish tonight. We'll make a wish and do as dreamers do. And all our wishes will come true.
You see, it's just like I told you. Wishes can come true if you believe in them with all your heart. And the best part is, you'll never run out of wishes. They're shining deep down inside of you. Because that, my friends, is where the magic lives.